welcome back to Misty and me. Today I'm hoping to teach you a really cute trick. Misty's already sees her treats I've got lined up over here. I'm hoping to teach you guys a really cute trick today, and that's how to teach your dog how to wave. Now, disclaimer, no ma'am. Disclaimer, one thing that really helps is if you already have a handsy dog that uses their hands a lot to begin with. English Shepherds are perfect for that. I think a lot of large breeds are like that. Also, it helps if your dog already knows how to shake, because your dog needs to know shake before you can teach it to wave. So I'm hoping we'll have some luck today in teaching Misty to wave. Let's get started. She's already waving and we haven't even started yet. First thing, shake. Yeah, if they know shake, that helps. So I'm gonna try to teach her. Misty, hi. Good girl. Actually, this was nothing. She's already doing it. Misty, hi. Good girl. Now you just need to be facing the camera. Hi. Hi. Good girl. Misty, hi. Hi. What? Good girl. Misty, hi. Good girl. Misty, hi. I tell you how to teach your dog to wave. Buy an English Shepherd. They're natural palsy dogs. Yes, say hi. Say subscribe to Misty and me. Hi. Hi. Very good girl. Want to catch a treat? There, maybe that'll be a little. Now I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. See, I did not work with her on this prior to filming this video. It looks like I've already been teaching her. She's doing this naturally. Stay there. Sit. Hi. Hi. Good girl. Hi. Hi. Wave again. Sit. Hi. Good girl. Hi. Good wave. Hi. Good. Okay, so we have how to teach your English Shepherd to wave in 3 easy steps. Step number 1, buy an English Shepherd. They're palsy all the time. They love to use their hands. Step number 2, teach your English Shepherd how to shake, which is very easy because they're very handsy dogs. They're going to put, Misty knew how to shake when she was 8 weeks old because that's how easy these dogs are to train how to shake. Once you teach them how to shake, just move back from them, hold your hand up and tell them hi, and they'll put their arm out to do it. Like I said, English Shepherds are just very, very handsy. Now, if you have a dog that's not already handsy like an English Shepherd, I'm not sure. I'm in shock right now that it was that easy to teach Misty how to wave. I expected that I would have all kinds of trouble with it, wouldn't be able to wouldn't be able to get her to cooperate. I'd have to feed her a whole box of treats and nothing would come of it. So I'm just as surprised that you are, but she was really cute. So you can try that technique that I just used. Hold your hand up, tell them hi, get them to swap, give them a treat. I don't know if she'll do it. Come here, baby girl. Sit. Let's see if she'll do it if there's not a treat in front of her, okay? Sit. Okay, she won't do anything if there's not a treat in front of her. Sit, girl. Hi. Hi. Oh, wow, yay. She did it and there's not a treat in front of her. I'm very proud of her. She's a very good girl. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope this helped you in one way or another. Be sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you back next week.